Okay, it's Saturday afternoon, and we're here at the Roaring Camp and Big Trees Railroad. We've got our custom e-bike here, built on a Schwinn S-25 frame, upgraded with a couple of RockShox extras for suspension. Other than that, it's just another electric bike. And here we go. We're going to check and make sure the doors are locked. Looks good. All right. Lights on. Covered bridge. It's an original. There's our duck pond. And there are ducks. Schoolhouse. Beautiful day. Got 29 volts on our batteries. We have reset our mileage. Currently at 3/4 of a mile. Okay, we're going to leave this private railroad park and we're going to go into Henry Cowell Redwoods State Park. And we're almost there. Here we are, and it looks like it's been wet here. A little microclimate thing going on. Oh, look at that little chipmunk guy. That's a red squirrel, I mean, not a chipmunk. Hey there, red squirrel. Hey, I might need a jacket. Didn't expect it to be this cool in here. Now we can't go in here. There's no bikes allowed. That's the tall redwood forest that's been preserved. Now, if I'm not mistaken, there is a way, this way, around. Now we can study our trail maps. Graham Hill, Buckeye, Ridge, Rincon. These are all the places I were last time. Cable Car Beach, that sounds good. That's real close too. Eagle Creek, Rincon, and Ridge Road. I say let's go for Ridge. Oh, no bicycles on the right. So I guess we have to go to the left. So we're going to go to Powder Mill. That's where we were last time. Here we go. Oh, it's a little chilly. I don't think it's going to warm up. Oh, there's a dirt trail up to the right. It's not marked. Could find my way down there. Woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Oh, there's the end of that trail. And no bikes. Oh, there's a river. Or San Lorenzo. It's moving very slowly. You see it. Moving very slowly. Let's go on. I like the dirt better than concrete. But good dirt comes to an end eventually. Well, maybe not. Whoa. Horse excrement. Oh, this is kind of fun. Woo! Yeah. Whoa, made it up that one. First gear. Usually use first gear on a single track. Oh, this is pretty good. I don't know how I'm going to cut this up into 30-second segments. No bikes. Huh. You see the river? It's beautiful here. We got brakes.
Thank you.
No problem. Puppies! Ooh, puppies on long leashes. I'll go to the right. Hello. Whoa, here's a trail. No bikes. That's Graham Hill Road. That means straight ahead Graham Hill. Okay, but up that way, campsites, no bikes. Why wouldn't they let people ride bikes to go to their campsite? This is past the point of no horses. This thing must make a lot of noise. Hello. That guy didn't seem very happy to see him on his bike. Normally I would have to walk up this hill, but we're going to ride up slowly. Hello. Isn't it pretty? We're still on pavement. I really like dirt better. Oh, let's see. Where is this? No horses. Oh, this is a big crossroads. Observation deck. This is Ridge Road. Half a mile. That's dirt. Huh. We can do that. Or Pipeline Road, Ridge Road. Let's see, I've been this way before. Now, this one goes. I've been there. Rincon Road, Eagle Creek, Redwood. Redwood Cove. Huh. Bikes are okay. Let's go. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, what's going on with my gear shift? Now where are we? River trail, no bikes. That's pretty steep anyway. No bikes. Big hole trail, big rock hole trail. All right, Rincon parking lot, Highway 9, 2 miles. I was hoping to get down to the center of the river. Is it down there? Hello. All right, so I can go Pipeline Road, but it's not going to take me down to the bottom of Pipeline Road. Kind of stuck. Rincon parking lot. I don't want to go to the Rincon. Oh, that's 2 miles. Yeah, let's go to the Rincon parking lot on Highway 9. Come on. Two more miles. 1 more mile. No, 2 more miles. 1.9 miles to Rincon parking lot, whatever that is. Whee! Oh, this is going to be a nice uphill climb when I come back. Okay, let's slow down. We don't know what's around here. Here we go. Could be a moose or about buffalo or elk-willow. Cow deer. Ooh, this is fun. Whew, not quite single track. This is engaging. Whoa, where are we going now? Oh, point of interest. Be safe, it says. Plan your hike. I just crashed into a rock. No camping fires. Okay, we are here, and I guess we're going south. Hey, that's one thing I don't have. I don't have a compass. Frisbee Beach. We're going to cross over the river if we stay on this. Cool. Let's go. Oh, whoa. Which way? No bikes up there, but bikes here. Yes. Okay. Here we go. First gear. Oh, now you go up, then you go down. Woohoo! And you know, going down is not my favorite thing. I usually do better going up. It's a stopping thing. Whew. Okay, I got both brakes on. Okay, we can go a little faster. Ah, an uphill, my favorite. Whoa, I do not like steep downhills, but this one I can handle. Actually, this is a very good trail. Very few protuberances. Well, I think I like this front tire. Oh, look at this. Is this a jump? Or is this a dead end? Uh-oh, fork in the trail. Which way should I go? Huh. Definitely a fork in the trail. Ooh. Do I take the fork or do I take the trail? Come on, pedal. Here we go. Let's see. Oh wait, here is a hole. Boo Croc hole. Big rock. Ah, big rock hole. Okay, but there's no bikes there, so this must be the trail. All right, let's turn around. No bikes up there. Well, they have a lot of places just for people who want to walk. Not me. Woo. Here we go. Ooh, more horse poop. Horsey poop. Poopty horse. Whoa. Yeah. Woo. Okay. I'm keeping it in first gear, just in case some big uphill shows up and I have to get up. Well, this is only 2 miles, huh? Woo. Getting tired. Now what? Whoa, sharp left turn. Ooh, I hope we're going to make it back up this thing. I bet you the motor will overheat. Alright, we should be crossing the San Lorenzo pretty soon, I hope. A lot of brake modulation going on here. Okay. Whew, I have to get these wheels straightened out again. No, this is really a good trail. Shot a rock. Straight ahead. Whoa, this is a huge jump for somebody who likes jumps. Oh, it's going to be fun going back up this mountain. Now where? San Lorenzo River to the left. see that? Right there. Or we can go to the right. Oh, no bikes down there. Diversion dam trail. All right, I'm going up. I hope this is one way. My way. Whoa, that was a big rock. There's some big rocks. Well, there's some wildlife up ahead. Another squirrel, gray one this time. The other one's red. Oh, so it's the top one that comes off, not the back one. Alright, pausing to fix my chain.